I'm videotaping. See, here we are in the dark. We have no lights. There's candles. And Chris is going to go outside.
Into the wild.
Into the wild. Into the cold abyss that is out here. With the dog, with his trusty dog.
Brindle.
Yeah, right. Brindle's like, I'm not going anywhere. I haven't even pottied today. Oh wait, there's the champ right there. We can't even see her. Luckily, it's still light outside at 8 o'clock at night.
Gotta bundle up.
Bundle up. I can barely see you. Gloves. There they go.
Come on, Chloe. And
Brindle gets she has to go.
the door barely opens.
Yeah, I wanted to go check and see how big the, I would have done that. That's not fair. Car door's frozen shut. Look at Chloe. Chloe. We're gonna have a hard time explaining to her why we have to leave the snow. Oh my goodness, look how high. That's gotta be 4 feet tall. Behind the car, that mountain of snow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bet you the snowplow came by. Can't see him anymore. Crazies. We're having a blizzard. He's running outside in snow. Oh my god, look at that mountain of snow. I'm gonna have to dig that out tomorrow. That's insane. There's actually people outside, holy shit.